Good morning, sorry about the dirty mirror. It is Vlogmas day 18. Right, so it's Tuesday and me and Aiden are just going to be spending the day in Lincoln today. I don't actually have any lectures, which is fab. So yeah, we're literally just having a nice day in Lincoln, which I'm really excited about. We've got a few things that we want to do and get and eat. So yeah, we're going to try and fit everything in today and then we're going to drive home later. Aiden said he's not fussed about what time we drive home. Just fingers crossed it's not as bad as the traffic the weather the other day. Like when we came to Lincoln Sunday evening, it was terrifying, like because there was just so many puddles and we were going through like the countryside, we couldn't really see where we were going and the car just kept swerving and shit. I think that might have been the front door, one sec. Right, so I'm out of breath because I just sprinted down the stairs to go get mine and Megan's Degusta boxes. They've just come now, that's why we've been waiting around and not got out so early this morning. I'm currently sitting on top of my toilet. I don't know why I've gotten in this position, but I think it's because the lighting's best in here. I think that was my subconscious, but yeah, we've just made some breakfast, so I'm going to go downstairs, eat that now. I'm going to show you what's in my Degusta box, which is so exciting. What was I saying before I went down? Oh yeah, I was saying how the weather on Sunday was terrifying. Like I thought I was going to die several times because the car kept going out of control because of like the water and the rain was so like crazy. So yeah, it was a bit scary, but we got here alive. We had a really nice day yesterday as well, actually. So make sure you go check out yesterday's vlog if you haven't already. But I'm just going to quickly show you my Degusta box, have food, and then I'll be getting ready to go out, which is exciting. I'm looking forward to going up to the cathedral because I don't do that as often as I'd like to anymore because it's quite far away from where we are. This is Megan's, and this is mine. Yay! Right, so my Degusta box is here. I'm just going to use my keys to get into it. I'm so excited. It's the December one. I don't know if it's going to be Christmas, I'm not really sure, but we'll have a look. For anyone who doesn't know, I hate always saying this in case people watch me all the time, but basically Degusta boxes are a food subscription box that get delivered to your door every month, and it includes like a variety of things. Like you can set up like preferences when you sign up, but the boxes are usually like 12 or 13 pounds a month, which I think is so good. It's really good value because everything adds up to way more than 13 pounds when you get into it, and there's like 10 to 15 products. Then on your first box, if you use my code down below, you can actually get £5 off your first box, so it's like £8-ish, which I think is a really good deal. And then obviously you can just instantly cancel it if it's not really your thing. But it gets me like trying more things, which is fab. Like because I'm quite a fussy eater, but this like gets me trying like new things, and I don't know, I just really enjoy like receiving like a little food box every month, and then I don't know, it's just a bit exciting, you know, especially when you're at uni and like things get a bit boring and repetitive. Like it's something like a nice little surprise to look forward to. So, oh my god, what? It's so packed, like honestly look. It's literally full to the brim. You get this little card. I don't really want to look at it because I don't want it to ruin anything, but apparently there's a giveaway, so I'll let you know if there's any details. You might actually have to have the December Degusta box, but you can obviously sign up down below if you want to. I'll leave a little link just to make it a bit easy for you guys, but let's go through all the things. It looks honestly amazing. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, I haven't even looked in. Aiden's face is like, so we've got some green and blacks. That's like a really good, it's like the dark chocolate brand, isn't it? Oh, wow, it has like real fruit centres. So we've got orange chocolate, dark chocolate and orange. Don't tell me. Dark chocolate and orange, and then dark chocolate and blueberry. Wow, that's going to taste amazing. I'm so excited about this. We can have them on the car journey home. Wow, and Meg's gonna, yeah, you literally get like 10 to 15 things, and it's like £13 a month, which is so peng because like you add everything up and it's way more. We've got this, oh, chocolate milk. It's a little chocolate, it says sleep well, no more counting sheep chocolate milk drink. That is so cute. It's got some little chocolate milk. We have more of this. Great, but you like this, don't you, Nate? Jack Daniels. It says Lynchburg lemonade crafted cocktail. So it's whiskey, triple sec, and lemonade. So you'll probably like that, won't you?
You'll probably like that.
Really? I just really don't like the taste of whiskey at all. I actually vomited like when I tried the last one. But at least you go. Oh my god!
That's how I was looking at.
The Funkin at the bottom. What were you looking at? This?
Yeah.
No, this is the best thing I've ever received in a Degusta box in my life. Like over the chocolate snowman from last month. So we have a slush puppy.
Did you talk about it yesterday?
Huh?
Did you talk about it?
Yeah, I was. Slush puppy, sour cherry flavour slushy. God, I'm buzzing. What the hell? See, it says freeze, squeeze, and drink. We weren't with yesterday. We were talking. We were like, oh my god, slush puppies are the best. And my mum said she used to crave this when she was pregnant, like slush puppies. That's what we were talking about yesterday. But I'm so excited. This is the best thing ever. I can't wait. I'm going to FaceTime Megan after this because she's got hers. She actually requested to skip a month, but they've just decided to send it and they haven't taken the money from my account, so. Okay. Wow, got all these noodles. Wow, spiced curry noodles. I actually think I'd like those.
That's amazing, yeah.
They sound delicious. So we've got spiced curry noodles.
Maggie's really good as well.
Chow mein noodles.
Maggie, the brand's good. Yeah.
And more spiced curry. I think, yeah. Another spiced curry, which is paying. Like, that sounds delish. Then we've got a salted caramel popcorn bar with Belgian milk chocolate. So that's a nice little breakfast bar snack for uni. That's why they always like sort of send something like this, which is handy for a uni student. Then we've got a, wow, this is different. I got one of these before. We keep these because me, Megan and Hattie have like plant-based milks. So we keep these milks that we get sent like in some of our Degusta boxes in the fridge. So whenever like family or friends come around that don't really like soya milk or whatever, they can just have normal semi-skimmed. And then we have, it's in a little set. It's like a breakfast to go. So you can actually take it to like lectures or like to work or whatever. And it's got shredded wheat, nutty but nice, honey and nut flavoured. Last one was like just normal. Yeah, so it's honey and nut flavoured shredded wheat as in a little tub, which is so cute. I can't believe how much shit is in here. A massive bag of pasta.
Shape, yeah. Festinati.
Festinati. That's handy. We love some pasta. I haven't tried this type of pasta before. Festinati, have you? Strange.
I bought this new shape of pasta.
I'm really excited to try that though, but that's so handy. That's like the perfect thing for a uni student to get pasta. And these, I've worked with this company before, and I think these are new. Like they've definitely changed the packaging up. But me and Megan had these before. Do you remember when you picked me and Megan up to take us to town back home? Like as in to Northampton town.
I remember that.
And I had the whole thing because Megan didn't like it. So that's why I was fucked. And then literally as soon as we got in there, I threw up. But yeah, I got this Funkin' Cocktails passion fruit martini cocktail mixer. So you literally just whack in vodka and maybe some ice if you fancy it. Shake it up and then it's done. It's actually so delicious. I loved it. I also tried the strawberry daiquiri one, but the passion fruit martini is just my ultimate fave cocktail, so really happy about that. I'm shook that they've put that in there. What the hell? Alright, I'm going to go FaceTime Meg so she can see what I got and hopefully she gets the same. I might unbox it for her if she wants me to.
Oh, they do that thing again. Do the cute thing again. Oh.
This is Megan's doggo.
Say hi to the vlog. You really want to Haribo? There's just one singular Haribo.
Oh. What? Eat it. Oh wait, you can't eat it quick. Right, so we're all ready to go. We're just going to quickly stop at where Curry works in town so I can drop off her card and present from me and Aiden. We'll be going up to Steep Hill. Yay! Right, so sneaky. We've just been to see Carrie at her workplace. I don't want to give away where she works, just in case she doesn't want to say. But we've just given her a present and then just come up to the Bailgate area of Lincoln, just take some photos and stuff. It went really well actually. We did it pretty quick, didn't we? So we're now just going to go head for a little drink somewhere. We think we're going to go to the Lincoln Tap House if it's open. I'm sure it will be because it's like midday, but I don't know, it might open in the evening if it's like a little bar, but that's fine.
No, you said two.
Oh gosh, so many people. Yeah, we're just going to go for a drink and then we're going to go do some shopping.
Out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the
thought one would come up then. We just arrived home. I haven't really spoke much. I took all my makeup off when I was back in Lincoln because my face just felt a bit grim. And we packed all the car up. We've got stuff that Megan needed because she literally lives around the corner from me. She's going to collect that tomorrow. And then we brought all of my other stuff back that I need to, like all my family's Christmas presents and like my just work and stuff to do over Christmas, which is shit. Just noticed though, my dad's put the icicles up outside the house, which is so cute. Not focusing on them, but you can see. Oh, here it is now. And we've got some cute little things in the windows. Let's go, let's go. We're gonna go take all the stuff out and then go to Aiden's. So we're finally home. Me and Aiden are just about to go to bed. This is the situation with my room at the minute. There's just so much stuff from uni and just random things. So I'm going to have a massive tidy tomorrow. So if you fancy watching a decluttering, then you'll probably see that tomorrow. Because I'm going to actually like sort out my whole room and like get rid of loads of stuff. So that should be fun. Me and Aiden are going to bed. So make sure to hit thumbs up if you enjoyed today's vlog. Subscribe down below if you're new. And I will see you tomorrow for a new Vlogmas vid. Bye. Merry Christmas!